Hello Python programmers. So in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can create this animation using Python. The package which we are gonna use in this video is Turtle, and you don't even have to install that package. It comes pre-installed with the vanilla Python installation, so you just have to import it and you're good to go. So with this being said, let's get started with the programming. Okay, so let's first import our library. Import turtle. It should be turtle tur. Then we are gonna define that what will be the background color. Then we'll tell our turtle module that what will be the pen size or what will be the width of a circle. Let's say it as 4. Then we'll say that what will be the speed. Now let's create a list of the color names that we want our circle to be, like red, now let's create a for loop for I in range, let's say 9. Now this for loop will run for 9 iterations. So for A in B, this will take each color from this list, and then inside this for loop, turtle dot color, it should be a dot here, turtle dot color. Now the color will be the A variable, and we have to create a circle. Now you can also create a square if you want, but I want it to be a circle. Now I want it after this okay, so this is the radius of a circle, and after each circle being created, I will ask this to move to left to 10 I guess millimeter is the measurement unit here. Okay, now let's close our turtle main loop. Now let's save this and go back to our editor, and let's run this, and there you can see our code is working perfectly. So let's experiment with this value. Let's make this 1 and see how is this gonna look. So the thickness of our circle is reduced. Now let's see if we increase the number of circles, what will happen. Let it be 3. It's a good value. Okay, so the radius of the circle is increased. Let's make it 20. So there you can see the spacing between the two circles is increased now. Okay, so this was a very short and fun project for Turtle, and I'll be working on more short projects of Turtle, so stay tuned if you love these short projects. And I have many short projects on my channel, like how to convert text to speech and how to extract audio from video, and many like this. So I'll meet you there. Bye bye.